Malfunctions in control boards and sensors are a common cause of HVAC control system failures. Control boards are the brains of the HVAC system, and they are responsible for controlling all of the system's components. Sensors provide feedback to the control board about the system's performance, so that the control board can make adjustments to keep the system running smoothly. Here are some of the most common causes of malfunctions in control boards and sensors. Power surges. Power surges can damage the delicate electronics in control boards and sensors. Moisture. Moisture can corrode the electrical components in control boards and sensors. Physical damage. Physical damage, such as dropping a control board or sensor, can also cause malfunctions. Here are some of the symptoms of malfunctions in control boards and sensors. The HVAC system is not working at all. The HVAC system is working intermittently. The HVAC system is not maintaining the desired temperature. The HVAC system is making strange noises. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to have your HVAC system inspected by a qualified technician. A technician will be able to diagnose the problem and make the necessary repairs. Here are some tips for preventing malfunctions in control boards and sensors. Install a surge protector to protect your HVAC system from power surges. Keep your HVAC system clean and free of moisture. Handle control boards and sensors with care. Have your HVAC system inspected and serviced regularly. By following these tips, you can help to prevent malfunctions in control boards and sensors and keep your HVAC system running smoothly. Thanks for listening. Please check the description for much more.